This is the entrance of Westin. This is the hotel. You can see it's the 27th floor. Two towers are there. This is Westin, beautifully decorated. Decorated. This is the entrance gate, as you can see, and here it is in the Westin. It is not visible due to the coconut trees, and it is the whole floor and the seasonal taste restaurant. It is in the 10th floor of the Westin. Okay, what you guys have to do, you guys have to enter through this gate, and here you will get the lift, and then you will have to press 10th floor. Then you can go to the seasonal taste. And if you book your tickets through the nearby app, then you can get good deals. Like you can get a single person's within 1,000 or like that. Thank you. This is the Westin Rajarhat. This is the full starter section. This is the full starter section, and here is the live grill. Topshe Mach, chef king. There are various varieties of fish over there. Here is a small veg counter, roasted chicken, split vegetables, pumpkin pie. And the best part of this is, see the ambience. It's beautiful. See the complete. What we have over here, this is shorshe. This is a non-veg main course. Shorshe mach, kosha mangsho, papad section. What we have over here, paneer kebab dar. This is podimas. I don't know what is it. This is dal tarka, dal makhani, and this is steamed rice.
Hotels first. I saw a couple of hotels.
Dum biryani. And the best part of Westin is this, the dessert section. 20 variations. There's a mishti doi. There is gulab jamun over here. Let me show you. Assorted gulab jamun. And what we have, there are some fresh fruits over here. I think this is banana caramel pudding. Oh, it's beautiful, man. There are some various varieties of lemon berry, blueberry dome. Beautiful, man, beautiful. Baked yogurt, mango coconut. Detox, I can't pronounce it actually. It's red velvet cake, beautiful white chocolate cake, and there are some various varieties of cake over here. Like as I said, there are 20 varieties of dessert in Westin, the best part of Westin. And this is the rasgulla. Let me show you again. This is the live grill section where the chef is grilling, and this is the freshly baked section. And here another live section over here. And see the ambience, man. This is the section of starters. Here we have paneer tikka, cauliflower, chili cauliflower, chicken, sweet chili sauce. This is the mahi tikka, and this is chicken wings. And I have just tried it. It's beautiful. The chicken is very soft. Let me show you again. Like in 5-star you have to pay much, but the ambience just compromise it. The ambience. It's awesome. And here is our table. This is a short informative video on the dinner buffet at Westin Rajarhat. If you like this video, then please like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you very much. This is Rajorshi Dotto.